Thank you. Today we start. Thank you. Today we started. Member come to install the power boot. Special deal. 1, 2, 3. And then got kick sensor. Example. 當你攞嘢 carry something， 你攞好多嘢嘅時候，你可以咁樣踢一踢，你就可以閂咯。你雙手攞住嘢，你都方便咯，唔使我放低嘢。即使我攞住嘢我入 ，OK， 我踢一踢，佢就會開，你可以放低嘢咯。有時我 create something， 攞住嘢方便咯嘛。原裝白燈亦都可以撳咯。我哋係 closing 好 soft 嘅。超級 soft 嘅，100% soft close。咁樣前面嘅白燈都可以撳俾你睇。100% soft close。甚至乎你唔可以踢。你撳翻一樣啦，原裝呢度乜掂一掂。嗱，你哋自己睇到啊！我係1個鐘頭咁樣就安好咗啦。嗰啲人我寫4個鐘、6個鐘安好係好誇張啊嚇！我哋 1 hours。Thank you support. Thank you.